Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to break a ladder in WWE 2K25. First of all, make sure you're playing an Extreme Rules ladder or TLC match. Then set up a ladder bridge outside the ring by pressing R2 plus LB on Xbox, R2 plus L1 on PlayStation and space plus U on PC. Next, grab your opponent by pressing P on Xbox, circle on PlayStation and L on PC. Now it's time to carry them. So for that, press RB on Xbox, R1 on PlayStation and O on PC. Then move the right stick up on Xbox and PlayStation or press Ctrl plus I on PC to lift them into the powerbomb position. Finally powerbomb them through the ladder to break it, and yeah, that's how you can break a ladder in WWE 2K25. Now if this video helps you, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.